A federal housing administration approved consultant is required for all standard 2 or 3K mortgages and may be used for limited 2 or 3K mortgages as well. The limited mortgage is only limited to $35,000 and no structural issues that will have to be performed. So the standard is pretty much the reason why a consultant is required. The HUD consultants performing the work on a 2 or 3K project must be listed in the FHA 2 or 3K consultants roster. The consultant inspects the property and prepares the architectural exhibits, the work write-up or specification of repairs, and the cost estimate. The consultant must perform the following duties: the feasibility study, if requested by the borrower or the mortgage company, and this determines the financial feasibility of the project as to whether any further consideration of the project is necessary. The consultant must inspect the property to ensure that all the issues are addressed, the deficiencies that might exist, whether they are major health and safety issues or pests. And the consultant determined all repairs that needs to be done to the property. The consultant must prepare a report on the current conditions of the property that categorically examines the structure utilizing a 35-point checklist. And HUD have designed this checklist to cover the issues that exist with the property. That are electrical, plumbing, heating, roofing, and the structure. The consultant must determine the repairs, improvements that are required to meet the U.S. Department of Urban Housing and Development minimum property requirements and local requirements. And this will be the city building and safety department's code requirements. The architectural exhibits, the consultant is responsible for identifying all required architectural exhibits. The consultant must prepare the exhibits, or if not qualified to prepare all the necessary exhibits, must obtain the exhibits from a qualified subcontractor. The work write-up and cost estimate. The consultant must prepare and write up the cost estimate. The work write-up and cost estimate must be detailed as to work being performed per the project proposal, including necessary reports that will be part of the architectural exhibit review. So give us a call. We will be able to help you with your project as well as we've done since 2010 as a 203K consultant. My name is Fred Sweezer. Thank you for listening to this video. You can give me a call at 562-234-2689 or go to our website at www.california203kconsultant.com. Thanks for listening.